This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden.
The home you've been waiting for in Tumwater, South Dakota.
Nestled in the trees on an oversized flat 3/4 acre corner lot in the desirable Black Lake area, a single level 3-bed, 2 BTH with skylights, laminate floors, and a large open floor plan. The bedrooms are oversized and the wood-burning stove creates a Pacific Northwest ambience as you look out over your massive deck and the wooded retreat with beautiful water feature. New roof/furnace/oven in 2014, no HOA, and close to shopping and activities. For more information, review the details below or contact Jayann Madden at 206-406-6357.